Hi, this is Brett from SRmoto, and this is our 2021 KTM 690 SMCR project bike. I wanted to do a real quick video and demo the sound of the Aero slip-on that we've got installed on the bike. So I'll start it up here in a second, let you hear what it sounds like. I'll put links in a video description down below to this project bike on our website so you can get more details on that slip-on muffler, and then also the project bike itself, and see all the different parts and accessories we've installed on it. So right now, we've pretty much the only performance mods we've done to the bike is this Aero slip-on in black aluminum construction, and then it's got the carbon fiber end cap. We still got the stock header pipe on the bike. And the only other thing we've done to it is one of the Rottweiler fueling dongles, which is pretty much recommended if you do a slip-on, just to get the bike running properly, richen it up a little bit. At some point here, we're going to do a header pipe as well, but I think we're going to try out the Leo Vinci slip-on muffler and then their header pipe. And then at that point, we will do Power Commander, possibly the Rottweiler airbox setup, and then probably the canister delete, a couple of the other things like that. But for now, just the slip-on and that fueling dongle. Bike runs great, sounds really good, sounds much better than that stock exhaust. Dropped some weight, you know, this Aero muffler is a lot lighter weight than that stock muffler. Not getting any popping, backfiring, anything like that. Fueling seems really good on it. Really pleased with the way it runs with just the slip-on and that fueling dongle. So let me start it up, let you hear what it sounds like, and we'll kind of go from there.